Do you ever feel like you are playing all the right notes in a riff or solo, but somehow it still doesn't sound quite like the original? If so, you're in the right place. One of the big reasons for this is lack of understanding of note values and rhythmic patterns. Rhythm is the backbone of music. While everyone has an instinctive ability to respond to rhythm, playing an instrument requires consciously developing this skill. Thinking I'll already feel the rhythm, so I'll just focus on the notes is a big mistake. Without rhythm, even the correct notes will sound incomplete. In this series, I'll guide you through the note values and the most commonly used rhythmic structures, using a practical, easy-to-apply approach. These lessons will include plenty of exercise. So grab your guitar and play along with me. To start, we'll go over whole, half, and quarter note. You see their symbols on the screen. I use Guitar Pro software for notation, and its symbols might look slightly different from traditional ones. Don't worry, here are both versions for reference. A whole note lasts for 4 beats in a metronome count. You play it on the first beat and let it ring until the end of 4th beat. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4 while practicing will help you lock in your timing. I've prepared a series of exercises to help you grasp note values. Let's start with the first one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, we have the half note. A half note lasts for 2 beats. As we count 1, 2, 3, 4, we play a new note every 2 beats.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, let's move on to the quarter notes. A quarter note lasts for 1 beat and must be played exactly in sync with the metronome.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the following exercises, we will combine whole, half, and quarter notes. Pay close attention to ensure each note falls precisely on the beat. Before attempting exercise 6, pause the video and try it on your own. If it feels challenging, go back and repeat exercise 1 before continuing.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
I hope you made it through the final exercise. How did it feel while playing? Was it challenging or did it come naturally? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.